Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the knowledge session. Okay, today I am showing you how I am earning free cryptos, and you also earn free cryptos. Right now you can earn more and you can collect the assets. You can collect free assets, free cryptos. Cryptos is your asset. You can earn it by free. So many cryptos are in the market and these are very legit and you can earn it. So today I'm showing you a new website to earn a free crypto, and also I'm showing you my withdrawal. Okay, so let's go to our website. So this is my Binance, and I had taken my withdraw in ZC TRX. Okay, so if I taken withdraw in TRX from this website faucetcrypto.com, and you will get a referral link below my description. And now I have a balance of 1068.36 coins, and I earned it just by half an hour. Maximum I had half an hour I need to collect this coin. Not a much time. Minimum withdrawal is 1000 coins and you can earn it very simply. So we can see this is my dashboard. You can see task, activity, tasks, earning, 4 challenges. So many options are here. You can see a faucet claim, that is after 25 minutes there is a IP issue. You cannot create another ID from same IP. So you have to do work one ID in one IP address. So you can see ready to claim. The claim timer is currently set to 25 minutes. So every 25 minutes I can claim. So click on claim reward. Okay, I will get 17.98 coins every 25 minutes. Okay, so this is my Captcha. How I do this Captcha, you can see. Please click on the similar buttons in the following orders. So this is orange, purple and ivory. So first is orange. This is look like orange letter. So then purple, then ivory. Then click on get reward. When you click it, after that you can see your balance is increases by 17.98 coins or 96 coins something. Okay, so you can earn from this website like PTC ads. I already had done, that's why it's showing me completed. I can show you my PTC ads had completed. These are websites of my PTC ads, okay, which I had done today. We can earn by surveys. Okay, these are surveys. I have now 2 surveys. Then overalls, if you download something, what they are giving with their instruction, from this we can do overalls, offer walls. And from shortcut links, if we do shortcut links, these all are completed already. We have a task to complete it. We need to click on claim. Then we have Captcha. After fill the Captcha, we have another website open, and okay, another website will open, and same I need to wait for 10 seconds, and after that fill the Captcha and then continue it. Same process. We can earn it by 4 types: by reward claim, PTC ads, surveys, offer walls, shortcut links. Means 5 kind of earnings we can earn daily. Okay, that is just a half an hour earning of mine. So how to withdraw from it? I already had taken withdraw in TRX, and now we go to withdraw. Okay, I can take withdraw in any coin. Okay, you can see I have I can take a cash out from Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin that is out of stock, so I cannot take withdraw in it. BitTorrent, Dash, Digibyte, Dogecoin is under maintenance. Ethereum Classic, Ethereum, these are out of stock. So now I am taking withdraw in Litecoin. Okay, so click on withdraw. After click on withdraw, you can see 1086.34. This is my amount balance. You can see here. Okay, and I will get 0.00024992 LTC. Okay, after withdraw I will get 0.00023842 LTC I will receive. Okay, so I am taking a deposit address of Binance. From Binance I am taking address LTC, enter. So I cannot take withdraw in LTC because LTC minimum deposit is 0.001 in Binance. So I am taking withdraw in TRX. Okay, TRX. If I go to TRX, so there is no option. TRX. So I am taking withdraw in TRX. So you can see a Tron. So click on withdraw and click on deposit from Binance, and I copied my TRC20 address from here and paste it here, wallet address. Okay, so I will receive 0.551111277 TRX from here. Okay, so click on withdraw. Done. So it is showing me success. Your withdrawal has been successfully completed. Check your history withdrawal page from the transaction link. Okay, now I come to Binance. Click on wallet overview. I need to wait for some minutes. Maybe I get it. Now you can see I got my withdrawal 0.5511200 instantly. Within 2 minutes I get this. So you can see how many withdrawals I had taken from here. So here you can see daily I had taken withdrawal from here. You have a withdrawal limit is 3800 coins per day. I can take withdraw. Most withdrawal is in TRX. I already taken withdraw from in TRX from Faucet Crypto, and this is very genuine website. I had taken 3 withdrawals from yesterday. Okay, so it's very easy and you can earn from here very easily. That is very simple website, you can earn it. And hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video to learn more these kind of videos, and you will get these kind of videos more and more in future. Okay, bye bye.